In the Format Point Symbol panel, hover over the color swatch to view the RGB combination values for the gray color, R88, G89, B91. In Contents, right-click on the symbol for counties and choose Color Properties. In the Color Editor, click in the multicolor box on the right to select a color. Examine the red, green, blue DN values. Choose several more colors and examine the values. Set the red, green, blue values each to 255. What color results? Now let's examine the HSV color model. In the Color Editor, change the color model from RGB to HSV. Use the sliders to vary the hue, saturation, and value of the current color to understand how these vectors impact the color produced. Click Cancel.